Next question. Others has money in the denominations of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, and 5 rupee coins. He went to grocery shop to buy vegetables. At the grocery shop, he gave 1/6 of 5 rupee coins and in return received same number of 1 rupee coins. So let's just first assume 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins, and 5 rupee coins as I'm assuming others is having X number of 1 rupee coins. I'm assuming he is having Y number of coins of rupee 2 and he is having 6 Z coins of rupee 5. Why am I assuming this number as 6Z? Because I know he gave 1/6 of this number and 1/6 of this number will be an integral value. So I'm assuming this has to be multiple of 6. Now on grocery shop, he gave 1/6 of his 5 rupee coins. So 1/6 of on grocery shop. On grocery shop, he gave 1/6. So 1/6 of 6Z is Z. So he gave Z number of coins to the grocery shop. And so how many are left? How many 5 rupee coins are left? Because he gave Z. So there are 5 Z coins left of 5 rupees. And he received the same number of 1 rupee coins. He received the Z number of 1 rupee coins. So 1 rupee coin becomes X plus Z after the visit at grocery shop. Number of 2 rupee coins were 2 Y. Next, he went to sweet shop and bought some sweets and snacks. He gave all 2 rupee coins to the sweet shop. So on sweet shop, he gave how many? All the 2 rupee coins. So all 2 rupee coins are, this is minus Z, this is minus Y. So how many coins are left now? 0 coins of 2 rupees are left. He gave all 2 rupee coins to sweet shop and in return got 15 5 rupee coins. He got 15 5 rupee coins. So 5 rupee coins becomes 5Z plus 15. And which increases the number of 5 rupee coins to 25% more than its original value. So this is 25% more than original value. 25% more than the original value. So from here, I can find the value of Z as 6Z and I'm increasing it by 25%. So multiplying it with 5 by 4, I get 5Z plus 15. So this is number of coins per 5 rupees. So it will become, this is 30Z and this is 20Z. So 10Z is equal to 15 into 4, 60. So from here, Z comes out to be 6. So I know initially he had 36 coins of 5 rupees. Now, it is given if the number of 1 rupee coins with him currently is 40. That is X plus Z is giving me an how much? 40. And I know from here Z is 6. So X, I can get the value of X as 40 minus 6 is 34. So initially he had 34 1 rupee coins. I need to find the sum of original number of coins of 1 rupee and 5 rupees. So 36 plus 34 becomes how much? 70. So correct answer to this question is option B.